brilliant.
Aiming for a 10-point lead at the top of the Spanish Championship. Cristiano Ronaldo! Something special for his hat-trick goal.
Well, I tell you what, Rob, you're not going to see much better goals than that. Unbelievable movement, his skill, the power, the technique. That's the 4,000th league goal for Real Madrid here at the Bernabeu.
Alexis Sanchez, the new signing.
Rodriguez, Messi, Adriano. Oh, there's the winner. And guess who? Lionel Messi. Two well-matched teams, but maybe one little genius is the difference.
Been a frustrating second half, but Lionel Messi feels he's been knocked about on too many occasions by the defensive players of Real Madrid. It's his second goal of the evening.
Ronaldo knows what he's doing, and he does it absolutely beautifully. Another special from Cristiano Ronaldo, and he's on to 49 for the season.
10 minutes to go. Barcelona in desperate need of a goal. They go for the...
my
unbelievable! Magic!
My word, Rob, what a goal that is.
He is out of this world.
Бразил подает. Опасно. Нужен удар. О-хо-хо-хо-хо! Вот это нестандартно. Вот то, чего не хватало. Нестандартное решение. А кто же придумал? Cristiano. Оказались именно тем, чего не хватало Реалу все это время.
It's not like Brazil to give you the opportunity when they've got an extra man.
Here goes Messi. They're backing off and backing off! It's a wonder goal by Lionel Messi! A hat-trick for Lionel Messi! And the best player in the world might just have won this game for Argentina.
Wouldn't be in range for many, but for this man, certainly. Oh, most certainly! Courtois completely bamboozled. It's 50 for the season for Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's Messi. Oh, it's magnificent. You are watching possibly the greatest footballer ever at the absolute peak of his powers. Cometh the hour, cometh the man like no other.
There's Ronaldo!
Oh, my goodness.
You don't save those! Out of this world! And the kind of brilliance that will win you a La Liga title. It's him again!
Thiago. Messi. Oh. Messi!
Are you kidding me? This man is absolutely mainline to pure footballing magic that belongs in a different galaxy altogether.
Now Di Maria. That's a wonderful header, a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United has hurt Manchester United. Cristiano Ronaldo, 1-1.
They do need another centre-half. The likes of Thiago Silva, we know.
Here's Messi. Oh, he's going past the ball here, Leo Messi. Tucks a beautiful goal away. So typical of the man. 2 goals in the first leg. Off the substitutes bench. 2 as a starter tonight. 2 months out. Lost all but 1 of their games. As Ronaldo scores! Well, the goalkeeper had a long time to see that, Sergio Alvarez. And at the same end, where Ronaldo scored from a long-range free kick at the weekend against Real Sociedad, another goalkeeper is deceived.
And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely world-class. He's taken them apart.
Ronaldo. Hit it well! Oh,
my goodness.
What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable. Breathtaking stuff from Ronaldo. I've never been relegated from the Primera Division.
Something to be admired, I have to say. Well, there's three of them, right? He's still going. Look at this, Kevin. It's a brilliant run from Messi. Did he go all the way? It's one of the great Copa del Rey final goals from the magical, mercurial Lionel Messi. Lights up the Camp Nou one more time.
Oh, Kevin, I said they need at least two players to stop him. There was three there. He beat all three of them. Then he beat another one and he put it at the near post.
And elapsed. So with a clearing header only as far as Di Maria. Oh yes! What a goal from Ronaldo! 50 goals up again for Cristiano Ronaldo. How many times does he pull Real Madrid out of trouble?
Messi. Oh no! What a goal from Leo Messi! What an incredible strike from Leo Messi! Good heavens above! What a genius! What a goal! Off the underside of the bar. What a time to score!
Takes deflection. It's into the path of Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo turns into trouble. Brilliant footwork. Amazing goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. Vintage Ronaldo. He's the man.
Really good turn of speed, and it comes just seconds after. Sevilla had a chance. Good goalkeeping from Colonel Neves.
Messi. Oh! Absolutely astounding! Perfection. Gusa beaten for a second time. And with that goal, Lionel Messi becomes Argentina's all-time leading scorer.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And then exhales. A landmark goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. His 250th in La Liga. His 350th in the colours of Real Madrid.
Set up for Leo Messi. Oh, what a goal from Leo Messi! What a moment of pure genius. Everybody in the ground knew where that was going, but it didn't matter. Absolutely directed into the top corner.
Suddenly red shirts flooding back. Chance for Cristiano Ronaldo! 2-2. And Ronaldo becomes the first player to score at 4 different European Championship finals.
Benzema, Ronaldo is there to be hit, and when he hits it, you know what happens. A really vital second goal for Cristiano Ronaldo and Real Madrid.
Up steps Leo Messi! 1-0 to Barcelona! Leo Messi with the goal. A silence falls on the RCD stadium. Leo Messi making it look oh so easy once again.
Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack, Real Madrid in the blink of an eye. And you wondered whether Ronaldo still had the pace to get away from Gerard Piqué. He did.
Don't forget, these two teams have also...
Messi! Messi gets the equaliser. Astonishing goal from the little genius. The ball whipped in by Rakitic, I believe it was. Messi on the left foot, on the edge of the box. Thomas Vaclik didn't even see that.
Make his way forward. Bernardo Silva's got all the time in the world to pick out one of 3 in the middle. And Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. His first meaningful touch of the ball. And there's international goal number 76. Inevitably marking his 100th competitive international with the goal. That could be the first of many tonight.
Rakitic. Messi. Oh my goodness me! You thought you'd seen it all. Leo Messi, no wonder he's smiling.
Look at his face. He's run out of words to describe himself. He's run out of magic in his head because he's just produced one of the best moments of his, I don't know, 650 goal career, Simon.
And then Ronaldo! Oh! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding.
5 in the wall. Messi drives and pings it off the post. He went to the keeper's side. It's 4-3.
Miraculous!
It's Ronaldo.
He's done it!